Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the exact port on your iMac and choosing a compatible cable. Thunderbolt 3 or USB-C is best for speed. Use a powered SSD if your drive needs extra current, otherwise use a quality bus-powered model. Once connected, watch Finder and Disk Utility. They tell you the drive is visible. You do not need to format yet, but make sure Time Machine isn't writing. Open System Settings to pause backups if active, then move on to partitioning or formatting as needed. Now you format with intent. Open Disk Utility, pick the SSD, and select GUID Partition Map. Choose Apps if you use macOS only, because it supports snapshots and speed. Choose XFAT if you need Windows compatibility. Name the volume so you recognize it in Finder. Enable encryption if the drive will store sensitive data. After formatting, run First Aid to verify the file system. Once First Aid completes, unmount and remount the drive to confirm consistent mounting and expected transfer performance. You're ready to use the SSD. Set it as a Time Machine destination or exclude it from backups if it scratched storage. If transfers seem slow, check Spotlight indexing. Allow it to finish or add the SSD to privacy to stop indexing. For third-party NVMe SSDs, enable Trim and Terminal when allowed to maintain performance. Reboot afterward. If the drive disconnects, inspect the cable and adapter, check System Report for device recognition, and test another port or cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.